how I got that look. So to begin this look, I am going to be using Freedom Pro Conceal and Correct.
Take you over, you just can't breathe.
So now that we have the lids prepped, next I am going to be using J5523 by Hakuhodo. I love their brushes. It's a Japanese company. It's so soft. And then using Stilazzi, I can never remember the color of this, or the name or the number of it. It's MS49, guys. Look at that color. Beautiful fall color. Softly, gently. Like I say to you guys all the time, blend. Here we go, guys. Before, after. For our next step, I'm going to be using NYX. This is their Jumbo Eye Pencil Milk, and this is white. But because I don't like sharpening it, because it's like a creamy texture, I just use my brush. I'm going to show you guys the trick that I use. What I do is I use my Bedazzling Tools 710. Look at this beautiful brush right here. Going in. And by the way, we're using this color because here's a trick. When you want your light colors to be super bright and vibrant, you use a white base.
Do you see the spark? Do you feel the fire inside of me? Do you see?
So using the flat brush, I'm going to go into my Sugar Pill Pro palette, and I'm going to be using this beautiful color right here. Thank you, Namiza. It's called Velocity. For those of you guys that don't know who Namiza is, she's just a big YouTuber that decided to purchase this for me and gift this to me on my birthday. Made my dreams come true in owning Sugar Pill. Now I'm gonna apply it to the lid. After applying the color, I am going to go back using our brush. This is the Hakuhodo brush, J5523, and not cleaning it at all. I'm going to go in now and then just blend where the two colors meet. Using, this is NYX White Liquid Liner. It's just in white Wonka. Yeah. And then now I'm going to do the same thing, but using, this is one of my favorite blues that I've gotten from NYX. And this is their Studio Liquid Liner. And it is also in Extreme Blue.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
So there we are, guys. And now we're gonna add a coat of mascara, and I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Mascara. And go your brush, wiggle. So now to make everything cohesive, you guys know that's what I am all about. I am now going to be using the J5523 Hakuhodo brush again, not cleaning it, going back into the Stilazzi and apply a gentle amount. And you're gonna go under the lower lid and apply that. Using Morphe M443. Okay. And going into Super Shock Press Pigment, and this is Too Shy. This is by ColourPop, guys. It's broken up, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right there. Because if I open it up and try to show it to you guys, it's gonna fall into my lap. I'm just gonna put that in the corner with tear ducts. To tie everything up, I am going to be using my liquid liner. I forget what this liquid liner is called. This. And just line it up. There, guys, and I'm just stopping to the very first stroke. And then now, just to add my lashes. So there we are with lashes, guys. And this is Leah's Nude. So Leah's Nude looks like this, right? I really thought it was only going to be 3 of you guys watching the last video, and a bunch of you guys watched it. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because that means that you appreciate my hard work. But for those of you guys that choose not to subscribe, why aren't you subscribed yet? You've gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, smack that button. That red button. That red play button. Hit that. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.